confess your faults one to another so that you can be healed. Don't trust anybody. Keep a shell of protection around you always, giving but not receiving. And we talked about this one before, where that sometimes we just are not receivers. We like to give but never receive, and sometimes that is a way of covering up our inadequacies, because I am okay with everything. So let's talk about how we can have restoration from a shame-based life, because we struggle with all these areas of shame. And we talked about this verse before, and I just want to mention it one more time. It says, "There is therefore no condemnation to those who are in Christ Jesus, who do not walk according to the flesh, but according to the Spirit." All those struggles you have, all those areas that cause you to feel shame, all those areas that you feel as if I don't know how to deal with it, I'm just going to hide it, all those things that you're facing and you don't know, who am I?